Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Maps tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to distance measure in Google Maps. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Google Maps and search for my starting point. For this tutorial this is the Cologne Cathedral near my home. Now I right click and select Measure Distance. In the next step I look for my destination, which for this tutorial is the tip of the Antarctica. Again, I right-click and select Distance to here. This way, the distance is shown to me down here, which is about 13,800 kilometers. If I no longer want the measurement, I right-click on one of the points and select Clear Measurement. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.